pink is the color of my true love's hair.
Welcome to My Cuisine. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Look what has shown up in my pot and in my garden, and I am not happy. I've killed some of them off, but these little pests are here. I'm going to make me a concoction, some soup and some water. I mean, this plant really hasn't even been here like a good 2 weeks, and they're already on it. None of the others, just this one. They got to go. Got to go. Got to go. My surprise plants is a basil and a tomato growing together. Yeah, that's interesting. We're gonna see how long this lasts.
Because it's marrying.
My son said that's because they're marrying. But we're gonna see how long they actually start growing, and eventually I'm gonna have to separate them. Yeah. Look, I told y'all my plants are coming up. I literally just threw the whole pepper right in there. Don't pay attention to that Creole tomato, because that's not what this is. These are Tabascos, and I literally just put a whole Tabasco in the soil and was like, we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see how this goes. And look, you can tell that that's one whole pepper in there that's coming up. All of the seeds germinated. This one is probably gonna be about the same. It's getting blurry. Let's see if we can refocus. There we go.
It's gonna grow prettier every day.
Yeah, it's gonna grow prettier every day and have some more. Yeah, let's focus that. So, I'm happy. I'm happy. And those will have to get thinned out once I see like who's really growing and who does well. But look, oh, wait, all the way down. My focus is really acting up today. Let's see if it clears up on it. There we go. If you look all the way into the soil. Come on, active focus. Look, you can see more coming up. You can see more of them coming up through my soil. But yeah, that's it. So that's my little mini tour of my garden. Let's see what's going on. This is sangria. Yeah, this is my sangria pepper. It's doing well. This one down here is a ghost pepper also, but it has no pests on it. Stop. It's no aphids on that one.
Cool.
So, my son's looking from my angle, so that's why he's saying cool. But that's it, y'all. Oh, wait. This video is going to be coming very, very soon, because as you can see, my aloe vera needs to be replanted like ASAP. My aloe vera needs to be replanted ASAP. So I'm going to be doing this video for y'all really, really soon, and I'm going to show y'all some of my old replants that have now grown up, and actually some of them have their own pups. So yeah, we're going to do a pup separating video for y'all. All right, bye. If you enjoyed this video from Main Cuisine, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Also, hit us up on all of our social media. Comment, let us know what you want to see from us, because this channel is for you. Bye, cousins.